Welcome to my health channel. In this video, I want to explain why you should not throw away the corn silk. Why you should not throw away the corn silk. So if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe for more healthy videos. And also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. What is corn silk? This is corn silk. This is maize and this is corn silk. So this corn silk are just fibers which they normally cover the maize. So this corn silk has a lot of healthy benefits. Okay, some people they might ask, how can you eat this corn silk? First of all, this corn silk you are going to make tea. So you're going to get corn silk tea. So you are going to drink the corn silk tea. So the corn silk tea is one which has health benefit. First of all, corn silk tea they have a lot of antioxidant and anti-inflammatory. So it means that they help. They are most beneficial in treating of urinary tract infection and also help in relieving the symptoms of rheumatoid arthritis and the gout. Okay, another benefit of corn silk tea is that corn silk tea, most of them they are natural diuretics. So if they are natural diuretic, it means that they help in relieving all health conditions which deal with high accumulation of fluids in the body. Okay. Another benefit of corn silk tea is that corn silk tea, most of them they help in regulating blood glucose level, and also help in regulating blood pressure. So those people who are having high glucose level, you can take corn silk tea, and those people who have high blood pressure, you can take corn silk tea. Although there are some medications for blood pressure and some medication for diabetes you can take, but also you can take corn silk tea, helping in regulating the blood glucose level and also helping regulating the blood pressure. So when you see corn like this, when you see the corn silk like this, don't throw it. Take it, dry it, and then make a tea of it and then you drink it. So these are some of the health benefits of corn silk tea. So I hope from now on you won't throw away the corn silk because of a lot of health benefits. So thank you for being with me. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Don't forget to like and don't forget to comment. Thank you.